Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to return your DreamyBot X30 Ultra to the dock station. As the robot goes out and starts cleaning, as you can see right now, it is going to start the cleaning, I believe. Although, hold on a second, I will just... Okay, now the robot will slide out of its station and begin to clean. And I can pause it, of course, by pressing on the middle button on top of it, or in the app by pressing on pause, and that's what I will do. So, as you can see, the robot starts moving, and let's select cleanup paused. Now, you can return the robot to the station in two different methods. Of course, you can do it manually, but you can also press on the button on the robot that has a home icon, or return to the base station in the app. Let's do it there. Let's click on confirm. And as you can see, now the robot will begin to return to the dock. So, if you'd like to see how it works, I'll just show you that. And as you can see, the robot has returned and starts charging. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.